Good morning students, I am Ravinder Singh, your math teacher, and you know very well exercise 21 is going on of chapter number 21 concepts of perimeter and area. So today we will discuss the rest questions of this exercise. So firstly see the question number 15, and question number 15 is find the area of a square. Square का आपको area find करना है whose diagonal is 5 root 2 centimeter. So the diagonal of a square equals to 5 root 2 centimeter. 5 root 2 centimeter. We know that the area of a square equals to 1/2 diagonal square. So put the value of diagonal, and diagonal is 5 root 2. So 5 root 2 multiply 5 root 2 because diagonal is raised to power 2. So you know very well 5 5 is 25 and root 2 multiply root 2 equals to 2. So 2 से 2 कट कर देंगे बेटा. So 25 centimeter square is the required answer of this question. So everyone clear बेटा? Now after this see the next question. Question number 16. So see the question number 16, and question number 16 is calculate the area of each one of the shaded regions given below. So first part of question number 16 is this is a given figure. This length 8 meter and this breadth 2 meter. This length 10 meter and this breadth is 1 meter. So suppose हम यहाँ से मीट कर देते हैं स्ट्रेटली. सो यू हैव दिस वन रेक्टेंगल एंड दिस आल्सो ए रेक्टेंगल. सो आपके पास सपोज ये इसे हमने लेट किया वन पार्ट, इसे लेट किया सेकंड पार्ट, और आपको क्या फाइंड करना है एरिया ऑफ द शेडेड रीजन. ओके, सो वी फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ द shaded region. The area of the shaded region equals to area of part 1 plus area of part 2. Both are rectangles. So you know very well area of rectangle is length multiply breadth. So here length is 8 meter and breadth is 2 meter, plus here length is 10 meter and breadth is 1 meter. Okay, so 8 to the 16 plus 10 1 ja 10 and add, so 26 centimeter, sorry 26 meter square is the required answer of first part. Now see the second part of question number 16, and second part is this. So suppose हम यहाँ से मीट कर देते हैं ये. Okay, so this length is 7.5 and width is 2 meter. Okay, this length is 12 meter but width is not given. But it stands. This is 9. This is complete 9 and this is 7.5. Okay, so 9 minus 7.5 is just 1.5. This breadth 1.5 meter. Okay, so suppose this one rectangle and this is second rectangle, and the area of a shaded region, equals to area of part 1 plus area of part 2. Clear students? So both are rectangles, and you know very well area of a rectangle is length multiplied breadth. So length is for this part 7.5 and multiply breadth is 2. As it is for second part, length is 12 and breadth is 1.5. So multiply करते बेटा 2 5 are 10, carry 1, 2 7 are 14 and 1 15. As it is here, 12 5 are 60, carry 6, 12 and 12 and 6 18. So 18 and 15, 33 meter square. 33 meter square is the required answer of this part. Now after this, see the question number 17. Now question number 17 is calculate the area of each one of the shaded region given below. All measures are given in centimeter. All measures are given in centimeter. So see the first part of question number 17 and first part this. Okay. So you have this is also a rectangle. This is also suppose second है, आप इसे third line कर सकते हैं और इसे fourth line कर सकते हैं. Clear students? Now, so area of the shaded region, area of the shaded region equals to, so area of first plus area of second plus area of third and plus area of fourth. Clear students? Okay. So see, for first rectangle. So beta, this is length 4 multiply breadth is 2 plus. Clear? For second, this is length 3 multiply this is breadth 2 plus. For this, 2 this and 3 this. So total is 5. So length is 5 multiply breadth. This is total 4 and this is 3. So breadth is 1 plus 4 this is length and this is breadth. So both are 3. So 3 multiply 3. And you know very well 4 2s are 8. 3 2s are 6. 5 1s are 5. 3 3s are 9. Okay. So 8 and 6 14. 5 and 9 14. And 14 plus 14 28 centimeter square is the required answer of first part. So tell me students, everyone clear? Now see the second part of question number 7. And second part this is a given figure. So see, this is a rectangle. Suppose this is second rectangle and this is third rectangle. Okay? So इसके लिए क्या है? ये breadth और ये length है. इसके लिए 5 length है और breadth. Total 3 है, ये 2 है. So 3 minus 2 just 1 and this is also 1 and this length is 2. Okay? So see the solution of this question. The area of the shaded regions equals to area of 1 plus area of second plus area of third. Okay, area of third. So first, this is length and this is breadth. So length multiply breadth means 2 multiply 1 plus. Second के लिए 5 multiply 1 plus third के लिए 2 multiply 1. 2 multiply 1. So 2 1 are 2. 5 1 are 5. 2 1 are 2. Clear students? So 2 and 2 4 and 4 and 5 9 centimeter square is the required answer of second part. Clear student? Now after this, see the third part of question number 7. Now third part this is a given figure. So हमें क्या करना है? इस पार्ट का, इस shaded region का एरिया फाइंड करना है. Shaded region का क्या फाइंड करना है? एरिया. So see the solution of this part. Area of the shaded regions equals to, see, suppose यहाँ से मीट करते हैं, यहाँ से मीट करते हैं, यहाँ से मीट करते हैं और यहाँ से. So this is 6, so this is also 6. This is 6, so this is also 6. 6, so this is also 6. और ये 6 है तो बेटा ये भी 6 ही होगा. Okay? So 1 2 3 4 5. कितने पार्ट्स हैं? 5. All parts क्या है? साइड्स में इक्वल्स है. तो आप लिखेंगे 5 multiply area of each part. Area of each part. So 5 multiply side into side, side into side. So 5 multiply side is 6 multiply 6. 6 5 ja 30 multiply 6 and 6 3 ja 18. 6 3 ja 18. 180 centimeter square is the required answer of this part. So tell me student, everyone clear? Now today work is closed. Have a nice day beta. Thank you.